Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today's video, I'd like to introduce you to Donna. And I will put a link in the description box in case you guys want to get yourself one too. So, I started to open this box and I thought I probably should record it because maybe you guys want one of these yourselves. So, I stopped what I was doing and here we go. All right. So this is a mannequin. Oh, I knocked the camera. I have Bella, but Bella weighs a lot, and she doesn't weigh a lot, but she's not like limber, and I have to drag her outside, and it's kind of a pain, and I don't enjoy it. So I decided that maybe I would try something different, like without arms and without legs. So this is what this is. So let's see. I got this from Amazon, and I will definitely put a link for this mannequin if everything goes well. Instructions. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram with something similar. Oh, it's really lightweight. Hold on, let's see. Okay. So I ordered it in black because I thought black would hide any dye if that was an issue. Oh my gosh. It's really lightweight. It just feels like styrofoam, which, yeah, I think it's just styrofoam. Can you guys see that? Like super lightweight. Like I could throw this out in the yard, whereas Bella, like I really have to drag her out. So I'm going to set this aside and let's see what else. Guys, I'm dropping boxes all over the floor. Let's see. Ugh. I wish all of you were here in my dye room. It'd be so much more helpful. Okay, so instructions. Step 1. Okay, well, let me get her back here. We're going to have to name her, but I was thinking since we already have Bella, maybe this one should be named Donna. Don't you think? We'll have Bella and we'll have Donna for displaying our tie-dyes. Okay, well, that was simple. Let's see, step 2. The stick into the other thing. The other thing I think looks like maybe it's this. Yeah, that looks about right. So put the stick. I don't know if there's a top and a bottom. No, it looks the same. So put that in there. I think. Oh. So you got to kind of push hard. I don't know how far it's supposed to go in. Oh, this is not very easy. Maybe that's as far as it needs to go. Okay, so that. And then I'm going to set her aside here. Yeah, I think Donna's a good name for her. What do you guys think? And then my guess is these just kind of, oh, take the cap off, it looks like. And then these are probably just going to slide right up. Yeah. This is really easy. I mean, the real test is going to be putting something on her and seeing what it looks like. And right now outside, it's like super sunny and really hot. Oh, watch. Now I can't figure out how to put it back together. No, there we go. Like that. Okay. Well, that was simple. And, you know, I think this is, it's kind of par for the course, you know, like you get what you pay for. This is not overly expensive. It wasn't cheap though. Oh, that didn't work at all. What am I doing wrong, you guys? Oh no. Great, I broke it. This is not going back on at all. Shit. What'd I do? Is that supposed to come off? I mean, there's no screw in there now. So I'm assuming that, I don't know, can you guys see that? That nut was supposed to come off too. Now, how am I supposed to get that off of there? I don't have tools. I mean, do any of us have tools? Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. You know, this is real life, guys. Or at least my real life. No sugarcoating here. I'm excited, though, because I don't want to keep dragging Bella outside. It's just, she's, you know, she's too heavy. Now, do I put the screw this way or that way? Probably like this. Like this way, I think. Or maybe not. Maybe it's, I don't know. Welcome to my brain. Welcome to my world. These are so vague. I don't even know. It must go the other way because it fits in down in there. Okay, so it's going to fit in there. Oh. Okay, there. I think it's working. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, but see, it just popped right back off. So, I mean, was I supposed to do it the other direction? Oh, geez. Well, I don't know. I guess. Yeah, totally. Look, this really could just be me being operator error here, but I mean, I want to do it right. I want to put it together so that I don't have to do it again. Okay, so that's on there tight. And then put the legs on first. I'm sure I just made this more difficult than it needed to be. Okay, and then I'll put this that way. No, but I mean, how can that be? Because then I can't screw it on. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like either way, no matter which way I do it, it's not going to work. Which, I mean, that could be a problem. Maybe I'm just being silly. And see, that goes in there, right? And if I do it that way, I just want it to stay together. All right, that seems to be working. Can you see that? Yeah, I think that's the way to do it, like that. So if you get one of these, that's the way. All right. Now I'm gonna have to, I can put it on her, but I can't stand her up. Oh, and then it has this like screw in there. Oh, shoot. Can you see that? Okay. I don't know what you can see. I can't see it. So I'm just gonna then put this. Goodness. And I guess that is where it becomes adjustable. You can put it all the way in or halfway out. I think I'll pick somewhere in the middle. Tighten that up. Nope, that doesn't feel secure. So I think I'm gonna just put it, there we go. That feels better. Putting the legs all the way in. It's not very tall. Okay. So I'm gonna find something to put on Donna and we shall see how she looks. All right, so I thought I would just give you like the real deal. This is really what's going on. So the base looks great. It's, I don't know if it's real wood or not, but it's black and it looks great. And then, you know, Bella's feet and the funky carpet and all that good jazz. Now, here we go. Okay. So this dress form or whatever it's called comes up to about Bella's shoulders, even if I get up close. I mean, it's not that tall. And I suppose I could adjust the stick, but it felt really top heavy. And then, you know, Bella comes all the way up here. So for Donna, I think she's going to do really well for things that don't require arms. You know, if I would just want to throw a tank top on her. Like I said, you guys, dragging Bella outside to take photographs and stuff, I mean, it really does take a toll on me, and it takes hours to accomplish stuff. So, let me see if I turn it this way if we get a full view. I have no idea on YouTube how this is going to look. What do you got to say about that scarf, though? Many of you didn't watch that tutorial, but it's a beautiful scarf. So, I'm happy that Donna is here, but I don't know, let me show you. I can just, well, I'm so close, but I mean, I can just pick her up. Super lightweight. I can drag her in and out and take photographs all afternoon, no big deal. Bella, on the other hand, I gotta get up and close with her. Oh, I can't even lift her up. I gotta use two hands. And she's just heavy. She's awesome. But she's heavy. And an alien. So here, let me back up. Again, I'm not sure how I can record this, but, well, we spent a lot of time on this. So I give it a 1 thumbs up because it's cute and pretty, and you know, you get what you pay for type of a thing. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't that expensive either. Bella cost more. There's my girls, Bella and Donna. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and then click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.